If you're looking for an impressive holiday appetizer, you've come to the right place because I'm going to make cranberry brie tart with pancetta, and it's going to be oh so good. I'm going to start with my puff pastry sheet, which comes out of the package like that. But first I have to put down flour. So that should be warm to room temperature. I'm using parchment paper so I'll be able to move this easily. Okay, so you open it up. And then it's easier to move, and it's going to be easier to move onto my baking sheet. I'm going to stretch it out. I'm going to use my rolling pin. To get it as big as possible. Okay. Now I'm going to slide it onto my baking sheet. And I don't need my cutting board anymore. And then next we're going to go to the stove and cook the pancetta. So this is what the pancetta looks like. It's already chopped, which is great. You don't have to do that part. Now if you can't find pancetta or you don't want to use it, you could use bacon. That will work just as well. This is going to be the salty part of the dish. Okay, the pancetta is cooked, so I'm going to drain it on these paper towels, set it aside for a few minutes, and we'll move on to the next step. Next thing we're going to do is spread the cranberry sauce. Now it's up to you whether you want the jelly or if you want the whole berry. I did jelly. Totally up to you. So we're going to spread it out, but we need to leave a 1-inch border. Now in the recipe, I've got 3/4 of a cup is what I used. The original recipe said 1 cup. I thought that was too much, but you add the amount that you think looks good. I think this is good. Okay. All right. Okay, next we're going to do our brie. I might have to cut more. If you want to leave a gap in between, that might be good. Oh yeah, I'm going to have to cut more brie. One piece left, so let's move it in. There we go. Okay, next I'm going to add the pancetta. Next we have our fresh thyme. And we're going to use more at the end. We're doing salt and pepper. Starting to look good already, right? Okay, and last part's really fun. We're going to fold in. This is our border. And it's going to be rustic. That's what it said in the recipe, and it definitely will be. This is going to puff up. I'm going to turn this. Okay, I'm going to turn it again. Oh, I forgot we have to put our egg wash on our edges. It's going to make it look golden. right, here it goes. Let's set it at 22. All right, now we're gonna have to wait. It's ready. Now it puffs up, so we're gonna have to let it cool. Look at that. It looks funky right now, but it's gonna be great in a few minutes. There it goes. Oh, there it goes. Right there. It's contracting.
Right before our very eyes.
I know.
Look at that.
That's wild.
That's really cool. It's doing it over here now. It's sinking down.
Yep. So we still need to let it sit for 5 or 10 minutes. And then we're going to put some more. That's the question. This is Cranberry Brie Tart with Pancetta. So the question remains how the best way to cut it. Okay. Decided the pizza cutter was the better way to go, even though I had a bread knife. Did you hear that crunch?
I do. A few moments later.
This is the Cranberry Brie Tart with Pancetta. So I want to say a few things. Don't use too much cranberry sauce because that gives a lot of weight to it. So when you go to pick it up, it's going to be floppy. It's too much. Between that and the pancetta.
Allow me to grab a corner piece.
Okay, yeah, corner piece.
Gorgeous.
I think the corner pieces are the popular pieces.
Oh, man. Bacon, cheesy brie goodness, puff pastry, crispy and soft.
Yum.
And the cranberry.
I think that's what I would want every time is a edge piece.
Wow.
Because that's where the puff pastry is.
Unbelievable.
It's very good.
This wasn't hard to make at all.
So on the brie, you know, I trimmed the rind off, and I would recommend that too. You can eat it, but it doesn't taste that great, so I wouldn't recommend it.
Brie, one of my all-time favorite cheeses.
Very popular.
Fromage.
So you have your tart, and then you have your salty. So it's a great combination. Great for a party.
Really good. Well, thanks, Bridgetta.
You're welcome.
Please like and subscribe so Bridgetta
Yeah.
makes more of these cool dishes for me.
Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the recipe is always in the description box. We'll see you next time with another great video. Bye-bye.